Hey, what's up? We're looking at my 2014 Denali here, and my wheels were a big topic of debate. Now, a lot of people like the black wheels, but I feel like most people liked the chrome wheels. I heard all your opinions. I really appreciate them so much. I'm glad you guys are so passionate about wheels on trucks, because I am as well. I have landed on these wheels, rolling with these for a while, but I'm a little tired of them. They have brand new tires. The chrome is nice and flashy, but you know what I did? I bought new wheels. I ended up going with these 22-inch Corvette ZL1 replica wheels. I feel like they're really going to pop on this truck. They'll give it the sporty and aggressive look that I like, but still retain some of the factory style because it is a GM style wheel. So I appreciate all your input. I'm glad you guys are so passionate about the wheels on your truck or your car, just like I am. I don't think my wife understands it, but it's something I always contemplate, maybe a little too much. What wheels on what vehicle? But it's important to us.
So far, so good. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Man, I love that. It's exactly what I like. I'm done with the GM chrome wheels. If any of you know what I'm talking about, they flake, they crack, they corrode, and they just leak all the time. So GM, get it together, man. These, who knows if they're from China or India? I don't care. They look awesome. Hopefully they hold up. Out here at my dad's shop. This is my dad, Kevin. Say hey, Dad.
Hey, Dad.
Getting ready to mount some wheels and tires. Let's see what we got.
They live just to annoy me.
Whoo! Those are nice.
Yeah, so definitely this side out. Don't hit the bells.
Time to upgrade the factory halogen headlights with some Oxido LED lights. Let's get into it. Wow, so fancy. Obviously to protect the new bulbs. Well, that was easy. I like that. And then this little ballast fits perfectly inside the lamp. Wow. So far, I'm impressed. Here's the difference in daylight. You can see you have kind of that amber color and the bright white bluish. I love it so far. Lights at nighttime. Whoa. Update. Little over a week using the LED headlights, and I absolutely love them. So I went ahead and got the LED fog lights to match. That way the whole front end would all be those white LEDs, the white blue LED. So I wouldn't endorse something that I don't truly believe in, and these headlights so far, a week in, are fantastic. A huge transformation, and I'm very excited to have the matching fog lights now. So definitely try out Oxido LED. The fog lights are really easy to get to. You don't have to remove any covers. You can see right inside here that it's fully accessible by hand. Don't have to remove any shields. Just unplug that. These bulbs are a little different. I thought originally you'd have to twist them out, but looking at the Oxido bulbs, I realized that there are two tabs on the sides that you have to squeeze in, and that releases it. So kind of tough to get your hand in that way. I actually used a pocket screwdriver to release the bottom one. But you can see this one's just a basic halogen bulb, and we're swapping over to the LED. All right, very important detail. Keep the bulb protected. You don't want to touch the end of it. I know that's true for halogen. I don't know if that's true for LED, but either way, I'm going to try my best not to touch that bulb to anything at all. But you can see it's got the LED on both sides. Psyched to see how these work. Gentle. I think I just heard it click on. New bulb is installed. Harness is hooked up. Have it tucked in here neatly. So it clipped right onto the factory clips. Should be good. Let's see. Fog lights are in and looking awesome. They match beautifully. Super easy install. And man, they are bright. Looking great. Gotta say, thank you, Oxido. They're beautiful on a nice snowy evening too. Insanely bright. What a transformation. Here they are with the fog lights on. Parking lights, headlights, fog lights, high beams. So if you're considering upgrading the lights on your truck, car, or SUV, or interested in buying a Christmas, Hanukkah present for somebody, definitely look into Oxido LEDs. You can buy them everywhere. The link is in my description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.